It's Cody Smith here at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport S. Stock number is 28220T. It's got the tow hooks here in the front, the fog lights. Really good looking vehicle. Manual seats, manual. These are all power on the doors. There's all the options. Cup holder, armrest. Got a little USB port down in there. Little storage air. Touch screen. This thing is loaded. Cloth black interior. Got your hands free for your phone, your cruise control. Your back seat for you. Your speakers back here. Cup holders. Plenty of room back here. Extra little compartment there for you. Got same size matching on the back for the spare. Nice little fender flares here. Again, this is Cody Smith here at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport S. Stock number is 28220T. You can visit us online at www.sherrychrysler.com or give us a call at 937-778-0830. Ask for Cody.